What do you do when the gas runs out and you still need to cook? In this video, we're going over the best alternative heat sources for cooking, so you're always prepared. First, consider a portable camping stove. These stoves are compact, lightweight, and run on small propane canisters, making them perfect for emergencies or off-grid cooking. Keep extra fuel on hand for extended use. Rocket stoves are an efficient, low-fuel option. They use small amounts of wood and other natural materials to generate a powerful heat source. Ideal for both cooking and boiling water, and great for those who practice self-reliance. For a completely fuel-free solution, solar ovens harness the power of the sun to cook your meals. These ovens work best on sunny days and are perfect for long-term off-grid living or during extended outages. If you have access to outdoor space, cooking over an open fire is always a reliable method. Make sure to use a fire pit or build a safe fire, and cook with cast iron or stainless steel for durability. Preparing alternative cooking methods is crucial when the gas runs out. Keep these heat sources on hand so you're never caught off guard. Hey, if you found this video helpful, click on this video here, and don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel for more life-saving info. Check the description below for helpful links to essential prepper gear.